Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the language on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is turn on your Osmo Pocket 3. And then you're going to go ahead and swipe down. You're going to click on this bottom left hand option, which looks like a hexagon. And then you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down. And then there's going to be this option here that says language. So click on language. And then this is where you can switch between different languages. So go ahead and set your language and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the language on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.